like it kahit medyo manipis siya. Like, this is how it looks. This is how my freezer looks like. They're kind of really the best friends of one another. Hello friends! Good morning! So, today will just be a normal chill day. I will just be here sa condo. Honestly, wala akong masyadong gagawin. And, tinatamad akong magluto. So, most probably, ang gagawin ko lang today ay mag-order ng food, manood. Probably later, mag-walk tayo, maglakad ng konti. And then, matulog. So, yun lang naman. Oh, I forgot, yesterday hindi ako sobrang nakalinis. Supposedly, Sunday reset. So, while waiting for my Grab, ang gagawin ko na lang is mag-vacuum ng konti, maglinis ng konti. One of my favorite movies of all time.
And his present leading lady? Absolutely not. Do you believe? Indefinitely.
I don't even know kung anong kine-crave ko. What do I want for lunch? Okay, so we've decided na magtipid and just use kung ano man yung mga nandito ko sa ref. He will be cooking his version of chicken chops ng North Park kasi isa yun sa mga favorite namin kainin. And sabi niya, i-recreate na lang daw niya. And ayun. So, this is how my freezer looks like. I think it's a little organized naman. I have itong mga containers. So, medyo bawas na siya. Nagamit ko na yung iba. I think I have a total of 8 or 7 na ganito. But again, nandun na yung iba. Nagamit ko na. And then, I also have a lot pa dito of excess na mga meats. So, tama lang pa na unahin namin to. But now, ang kailangan ko ay boneless chicken. Oh my God. Nandito yun. Probably ito. Yun. Then, dito kayo. Ang gagawin ko is, lagyan lang ng water. Babara natin siya ng water. Woohoo! Ako is magwo-walk lang naman ako. Usually 30 minutes. Pag sinipag, 40. But hanggang dun lang yung kaya ko. Hello friends! Good morning! Today, we are going to the mall kasi today is our massage day. Nagpapamassage kami once a week. Plus, doon na rin kami kakain. Ng lunch, ng brunch pala. I also need to buy lip balm kasi sobrang dry ng upper lip ko for some reason. And, ayun lang. Let's go!
Hi.
Ano? Ano sabi? Wala daw. Okay. finally, I'm done with 4 meetings. And medyo nakakatuyo ng utak kasi yung dalawa dun is really interactive and I have to do some reportings. But yeah, nagutom ako. Good thing mayroon grapes sa ref na natira. So, snack ko lang siya. I'm super sleepy, but I still have a lot to do, and I'm until around 6 or 6:30 a.m. pa. So, we have no choice. So, pag nag-work ako, I always want something na naririnig ko, either movies or really music, ganyan. Parang hindi ko kasi kaya na white noise lang talaga. Parang nakakatakot. It's now 9:15, 9:20, and I'm about to start my shift, but I decided to cook sinigang kasi I'm craving sinigang nitong mga nakaraang araw. Yes. So, we have sinigang. Of course, we are going to watch while eating.
I got japchae, garlic butter shrimp, and kimbap. We had a game night last night, and we ended it out our last minute purchases. And Lucy was glad we were all back. It has so much potential. I love the layout.
Hello friends, this is the current me. I am editing the video now. I just want to say I'm really sorry I wasn't able to film my Sunday anymore because honestly I wasn't feeling it. Hindi maganda yung pakiramdam ko last Sunday, so nag-skip na lang ako. But if you've reached this end or this part of the video, I just want to say thank you so much. I appreciate you so much for watching my video till the end, and I hope to see you on the next one.